Welcome back to the channel. Today I am sharing a few lines from my great book. So let's start. Space science. Look at the sky. You will see the sun shining brightly during the day, and many stars along with the moon glowing at the night. Our Earth revolves around the sun. Similarly, the moon revolves around our Earth. Both of the Earth and the moon are satellites. Satellite, a small free flying object that revolves around a larger object in space, is called a satellite. A satellite can be a moon, planet, or machine that orbits a planet or a star. For example, the spacecraft which orbit around the Earth are satellites. Types of satellites. Satellites are of two types: artificial satellites, natural satellites. Artificial satellite is a man-made device that is sent into space to orbit around the Earth. Artificial satellites are used for many purposes such as communications and weather forecasting. They are also used to monitor the Earth's climate and the changing weather pattern over a period of time. The moon is the Earth's only natural satellite. Muslims follow the Islam calendar, which is based on the revolution of the moon around the Earth. The moon and the Earth have a very relationship because of gravity. The moon and the earth have a very special relationship because of gravity. The earth's gravity keeps the moon in its orbit, whereas the moon's gravity pulls the earth. This pull causes predictable rises and falls in the earth's sea level. Moon's gravity entices the rise and fall in sea levels is known as tides. A high tide occurs on sides of the earth that are nearest and farthest from the moon. Low tides occur on the sides of the earth in between. Usually there are two high tides and two low tides in a day. Phase of the moon. The moon, which revolves around the Earth, takes 29 to 30 days to complete its orbit. This duration is called a lunar month. During this month, it's changed. It changes its shape every day. This is because it changes its position in relation to Earth and the Sun. These different positions are called phase of moon. Phase of the moon. In this phase, the side of the moon facing the earth is dark because the moon is between the sun and the earth. When it is a new moon, we begin to see the right edge of the moon. This is called a waxing crescent. In this phase, just a part of the moon is visible to us. We call this phase waxing because each night a little bit more moon is visible due to the changing position of the moon. First quarter, when the moon completes the first quarter of its orbit around the earth, it is called a half moon. When more than half of the moon is visible, we say it is a gibbous moon. The moon is still waxing and becoming more visible with every passing day. This is called a waxing gibbous. Full moon, when the moon is the opposite side of the earth from the sun, we can view the entire face of the moon. We call it a full moon. In this phase, more than half of the moon is visible again. However, the difference is that instead of seeing more of the moon each night, we begin to see less and less of the moon each night. This is called a waning. During the last quarter, we can see the left half of the moon finally. After 23 days, we can see less than half of the moon left side. The moon is about lie between the earth and the sun. It is called a waning crescent.